So just taking a quick look at Vechain on our charts here, and as we can see, looking like it's coming back down to backtest into this previous area of support, of resistance as support. You can see obviously we've been in this big descending wedge for a good while. Obviously very clean bear market range. The break, we've come down with the descending wedge to backtest into structure. It's pretty amazing how long I've been charting this, isn't it? You can see like all these previous areas of charting that I've been doing all the way back in 2022. It's amazing how long I've been covering this, isn't it? When you look at it, all these chart patterns, these descending wedges and things you can see back here, they all actually played out in the end, didn't they? You can see this descending wedge here basically came down to a bear market low, ran back up to the high, and then we formed a nice range here. We came down and tested the low again. Little resistance here that we came out of, another one here. It's just interesting to see how much I've actually covered this. Overall then you can see in the local area, obviously we've been heading down in our descending wedge, resistance support coiling up, and then we did get altcoins starting to break out last week to the upside. Obviously Bitcoin's had a little bit of a retrace over the past few days after hitting resistance, as you would expect. Altcoins as a result getting smashed to the downside. You can see here, if we just take a quick look at Bitcoin's chart, that is not the right chart. You can see obviously a rejection of that resistance level, very obvious, to be honest. You can see here resistance and support of this big bull flag for Bitcoin being respected either way. Another test of this resistance and a big rollover to start the week, pretty much what you would expect. But I do think we are going to reach a point where we are going to break through this resistance. We have tested it now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, and considering that we are about to go into a big bull market, in my opinion, for Bitcoin, it seems quite likely to me that we're going to come up and break this resistance soon. Currently sitting in and around our 100 moving average, as you can see. In the case of Vechain, obviously getting smashed down because of that price action, but looking like it's coming down, trying to make a higher high. It's obviously made a higher high here. It's looking to make a higher low, so we can reverse this trend. You can see we've been making lower lows and lower highs pretty much exclusively on the way down here, and we did locally make this big bullish divergence off the low. We've obviously come up, we've started making a bit of a bullish structure here. We're looking to make a higher low in this area, probably at around, as I said before, 2.5 cents, 2.25 cents, I should say, in this area here, and then looking for a bouncing continuation. I do think altcoins are too smashed down at the minute. We'll have to see what Bitcoin does next, but overall, I do think we are going to get some time in the sun soon for altcoins once Bitcoin sorts its life out. Make sure to get a trading bot from the description below. Sign up for Bybit with it for a huge 30k bonus down below as well, and like and subscribe for more.